This is Roxanna Roper down here in the Arctic. Yeah, and this is a how to rope a real live bull tutorial number 1. Come on, Roxanna, show us those moves.
Okay, boys and girls. First, to grab the rope, stand it above your head.
Okay, Roxanna.
With your rope that you can conveniently find at your very own store near you. Open above your head. Don't do what I just did. And 1, 2, 3.
Good job. Roxanna, good job.
That's what not to do.
Okay, what do you do then?
So you're going to rope it over your head, and then you're going to throw it.
Good job. This is Brunhilde Bullcatcher, and she's gonna show you how to rope a live bull part 2 tutorial. What do you do first?
You have to lift out and do your squat, and then you have to loosen up your rope so it's ready. And then you just whoop, and then you just do this, and you do this, and you do.
Yay!
And I am going to show you how to rope a live bull. Okay, so first, like the other two were saying, you gotta do this, and gotta get it over here. And you go. Yeah.